It's taking a toll on us. That's the mood this evening as citizens continue to oppose the proposed price increases for Highway 2000. The new toll rates should come into effect on Saturday. Jamila Maitland explains.
The National Consumers League says the new toll rates should be delayed at least until the end of the year. Spokesman Trevor Samuel says motorists have only just started to adjust to the increase that took effect in July last year.
We have not even gotten used to it yet, and then we hear that it's another one coming onto it again. And I don't think the dollar has depreciated that much since the last price increase, so therefore they could hold that a little longer.
Under the tolling policy agreement, the operators can apply for annual increases. Back in 2020, the operators delayed the increases due to COVID-19 by 3 months. However, this time, the new rates are expected to take effect on Saturday, July 2. But according to Mr. Samuels, the proposed toll increases will not only affect motorists, but also the price of goods and services. And already, General Manager of the Port Trailer Haulage Association, Ricardo Valentine, says trucking companies will have no choice.
We're talking about one of the variable costs to supply trucking services right now is the toll fee, because it makes sense in terms of using those corridors, in terms of the fact that it is safe, in terms of the fact a lot of instances it's shortened the distance, but certainly as the cost goes up, certainly that variable cost, the variable factor, certainly does go up. Similarly to fuel.
There is a discounted rate for motorists who use the Portmore and Spanish Town toll plazas after their 10th trip. There's no discount, however, for Class 3 vehicles. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.